Hey everybody, this is BABAKITTYSDADA here to do an unboxing video of the new Funko Mystery Mini Hot Topic exclusive Disney villains. So we're going to go through and see what we got today. Got these boxed tonight. Sealed case, as you can see. Maybe that. Alright, so let's go through. Let's see what we got here. First thing here. The boxes include here, you could see the Hot Topic exclusives. The Maleficent Dragon is 1 in 12. The Maleficent Minion is 1 in 12. Captain Hook is 1 in 36. And the Croc from Peter Pan, and Captain Hook's enemy there, is also 1 in 36. They're all Hot Topic exclusive. Alright. Let's see what we got here first. Ooh, all right. First one out of the gate, the Hot Topic 1 in 36. Croc, cool. Needed that one, so that's cool. Bring that up for a closer look here. Too close, close, good. Down, there we go. Thank you, director. We'll put him here. All right. Let's see what we get here. Box number 2. Try to be quicker. Unboxing videos. What do we have here? What's his name? I don't even know. King Louis? No, that's the that's the lion. I don't even know where he's from, but he's cute either way. As Baba knocks down, this is Baba Kitty, knocks down a little alligator, the crocodile. Alright, let's go to the next one. I should have probably got all their names before I started the video, right? Well, we know he's a king. That's all that matters. Ooh, the Queen of Hearts. Alice in Wonderland. Very cool. Let's see, she is 1 in 24. So that's a cool one. And the Croc is 1 in 36, and he is 1 in 24. Oops. Those are cool. Alright, here. Next one. The little, what is this guy? The little minion, Maleficent's minion, also Hot Topic exclusive. Cool, 1 in 12, only in Hot Topic. Alright. Next up here, I can get this box open. It's the heavy one. Probably the Maleficent Dragon. Not that I know the case box or anything, but Just say it. Is that Baba in the shot? You see? Alright, look at how cool this one is. The Maleficent Dragon. Very cool. 1 in 12, Hot Topic exclusive. Put that back here. Alright, very nice. Next up. Why don't you come around and open some? No? We'll go quicker. Well, that's sweet. Alright. Ooh. It's a little Flotsam and Jitsam. Ursula's little pair here. Her little minions. Alright. Next up. I should probably try to keep these in order from where they were. I don't know if I remember now. She was here, here, he was here, right?
Yep, that's right.
There we go. That was the case layout. Alright. So the chase is right up front. Right up front to the right on top. This is the 1 in 36. Oops. Cool. Alright. That's the first one everybody grabs too, if they don't know the layout. Okay, Ursula. She's cool. Look at that, even the little squid things in the bottom.
Little tentacles.
Is that what they're called? Tentacles. Very cool, Ursula. She's in the bottom here. Very nice. Alright. She's also 1 in 12. Dalmatian. I don't know if this has a name. Spot or something? I'm taking a
Why
guess
is he
here.
a villain?
I don't know. I have no idea. There's a bad Dalmatian.
Oh, it's probably maybe Cruella de Vil's.
Well, yeah, but I don't get it. But whatever. I don't know. I don't really remember that cartoon, but I don't recall there being a bad Dalmatian.
Maybe you'll get Cruella next.
What's the chances? 1 in 12. Ah, what a surprise, Cruella. There she is. Alright. Who's next? Who haven't we got? We haven't got the little crow from Maleficent. And there should be 2 Maleficents, so I'm going to gather from the weight of this, it's the little crow. Or her raven, whatever it is. I don't know if this creature has a name or it's just her raven. There we go. It's cute. Little raven.
It looks very evil.
Yes. It's the smartest of her minions. So these 2 must be Maleficent. Since they're 1 in 6. There we go. Maleficent. And one last one. What?
Give me Maleficent so I can show the viewers her details.
Alright. Why don't you get the other ones I got tonight so we could show those off. Go get them. The other ones while I'm opening them. Last one. So I also bought a couple of others. Hot Topic was nice enough to give me another case so I could pick from their chase spots. So that's another Maleficent. See there? A nice flowing cape. So out of that box I was able to get a White Rabbit, which is cool. So I guess he would join the Queen here, alternating that spot. And I was able to get the Voodoo Man from the Frog Princess. I don't know his name either. I've never seen the Frog Princess. And he would alternate this spot here. He's 1 in 72, so he's pretty rare. But he's not a Hot Topic exclusive, so you can get him in any case. And there you have it. There is our unboxing of the Hot Topic Disney villains.
Thanks for
everyone.
joining us.
Bye.
Bye.